guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are at home staying safe with everything that's going on right now. I filmed a very quick and easy eyeshadow tutorial for you to go to your Sala. These days all I've been doing is rotating between my room and my living room. Doing my makeup has been keeping me busy from eating all the food in my house. I'll be going step by step on how I created this look, so stay tuned. To start off, I am taking the NARS concealer. I'm gonna first put concealer on. This is gonna act as my primer. I'm gonna use this 3D HD precision brush and I'm just gonna blend the concealer all over my eyelid. I am taking the color Dawn from the Subculture palette to set the concealer. I'm gonna also do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so next I'm gonna be choosing my transition colors. I will also be picking up colors from the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette to create this look. I will first be picking up this burnt orange color. To do so, I'm using this Sigma E25 blending brush. So I'm picking up the color and I'm applying it all in my crease. I'm making sure I'm blending it towards my inner corners and blending it outwards. I'm constantly picking up color and blending it out. So I'm picking up more of the product and I'm just applying it right on my brow bone. And I'm blending it towards my outer corners and my inner corners. So next, I'll be taking this light chocolatey color. I'm gonna be applying it like right under the light burnt orange. I'm applying this color in a sweeping motion and I'm trying to keep it just right under the burnt orange. As you guys can see, the sweeping motion has helped bring both colors together. So next, I'm going to take my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot and I'm going to create a cut crease. To do so, I'm taking this Real Techniques detail brush and picking up a lot of product. Using the Sigma eye shading brush, I'm going to be picking up this light pink color. I'm going to apply this color all over my eyelid. With my Sigma Tapered Blending E40 brush, I'm going to be picking up this dark chocolatey color and I'm just gonna tap it off. I'm gonna apply this color on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm making sure I don't bring the color towards the center of my eyelids. I'm picking up more product and making a letter V. I'm going to be picking up more color, and instead I'm going to apply it on my inner corners. I'm going to pick up the light pink color and reapply. I'm taking the tapered blending brush and blending both colors. I'm going to go ahead and pick up more of the light pink color. So I'm noticing that I blend away the crease, so I'm going to get more product and redo it. Now I'm going to take more of the light pink color and I'm going to apply it over it. I'm going to take more of the brown color and I'm going to blend it. Now I will be applying mascara. I'll be using the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. I'm also applying mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm ready to put on my falsies. I'm going to be taking this Morphe E36 brush. I'm going to be picking up this light brown color and I'm going to apply on my bottom lashes. I'm also going to be taking this white eyeliner and I'm going to apply it to my tear duct. To finish off my look, I am applying highlighter to my inner corners. This step is optional, I just wanted to make my eyes pop. I hope you guys are finding things to do while at home. I've been trying to keep myself occupied by doing my makeup, doing my hair. I've also been working out every morning, just trying to keep my mind occupied. I hope you guys also love this look. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you still don't have anything to do, meet me at the Sala. So here we are, all glammed up in the living room. I'm going to go take some selfies. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!